Which is the oldest national park in India? A. Jim Corbett National Park, B. Kaziranga National Park, C. Ranthambore National Park, D. Bandirpur National Park. Answer A. Jim Corbett National Park. Which national park is known for its population of the Indian one-horned rhinoceros? A. Sundarban National Park, B. Sariksha National Park, C. Kanha National Park, D. Kaziranga National Park. Answer D. Kaziranga National Park. In which state is Keoladio National Park located? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Answer B. Rajasthan. Which national park is famous for its population of Bengal tigers? A. Periyar National Park, B. Sundarban National Park, C. Nagarhole National Park, D. Pench National Park. Answer B. Sundarban National Park. The Great Himalayan National Park is located in which Indian state? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Uttarakhand, C. Sikkim, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer A. Himachal Pradesh. Which national park is known for its diverse bird population including the Siberian crane and is located in the state of Rajasthan? A. Silent Valley National Park, B. Bhitarkanika National Park, C. Keoladio National Park, D. Valley of Flowers National Park. Answer C. Keoladio National Park. Which national park is home for the famous Indian wildlife? A. Gir Forest National Park, B. Hemis National Park, C. Dachingam National Park, D. Velavadar National Park. Answer D. Velavadar National Park. Which national park is known for the spectacular migration of bar-headed geese? A. Bandilpur National Park, B. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, D. Nanda Devi National Park, D. Simlipal National Park. Answer B. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Which national park is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island? A. Simlipal National Park, B. Balpakram National Park, C. Campbell Bay National Park, D. Madumalai National Park. Answer C. Campbell Bay National Park. Which national park is known for its unique biodiversity and is often referred to as the jewel of Eastern India? A. Bandilpur National Park, B. Manas National Park, C. Bhitarkanika National Park, D. Simlipal National Park. Answer D. Simlipal National Park. Which national park is home for the Indian rhinoceros and the Indian elephant? A. Sundarban National Park, B. Kanha National Park, C. Periyar National Park, D. Kaziranga National Park. Answer D. Kaziranga National Park. Which national park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its wetland and mangroves? A. Bandilpur National Park, B. Sundarban National Park, C. Jim Corbett National Park, D. Valley of Flowers National Park. Answer B. Sundarban National Park. In which state is the Pench National Park located? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttarakhand. Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. Which national park is famous for its population of wild Asiatic lions? A. Gir Forest National Park. B. Hemis National Park. C. BR Hills Wildlife Sanctuary. D. Sariksha National Park. Answer A. Gir Forest National Park. Which national park is located in the Nilgiri Hills and is known for its Nilgiri Tahar population? A. Silent Valley National Park. B. Nagarhole National Park. C. Iravikulam National Park. D. Rajaji National Park. Answer C. Iravikulam National Park. Which national park is home for the famous Panna diamond mines? A. Panna National Park. B. Bhitarkanika National Park. C. Valley of Flowers National Park. D. Kanha National Park. Answer A. Panna National Park. Which national park is located in the Western Ghats and is known for its endemic species? A. Madumalai National Park. B. Bandhavgarh National Park. C. Nanda Devi National Park. D. Silent Valley National Park. Answer D. Silent Valley National Park. Which national park is renowned for its population of the Indian bison? A. Bandilpur National Park. B. Rajaji National Park. C. Nameri National Park. D. Indravati National Park. Answer A. Bandilpur National Park. Which national park is known for the Dudhwa Tiger Reserve? A. Dudhwa National Park. B. Pench National Park. C. Kanha National Park. D. Dachigam National Park. Answer A. Dudhwa National Park. The Nadamfa National Park is located in which state of India? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Nagaland. C. Mizoram. D. Manipur. Answer A. Arunachal Pradesh.